Alright, this is, what's today's date? July 12th. No, it's the 12th. 11th was yesterday. $1997. Today is July. What's today's date, Mark? What's today's date?
Yep.
16? 1997. Chuck's 3 years old. Hello.
Hey, bar crap.
Mickey's will be 9 in October. And Mark's the big 3-0. What are you doing, Chuck? What else did you catch? Where is it? Can't see you, you're black.
Thank you.
Taking some video. Chuck was fishing. Mark, help her with the umbrella. There's Bradley at the beach. He just finished swimming. It won't stay in the ground. He's blown away. What about you, Chuck? Chicken wing. Water's calmer today.
Thank you.
Now, who do we have here?
We are ladies.
You're ladies?
That's Miss Scarlet. No. That's
Is this
White.
Charlene?
yes, that's Charlene.
Hello.
Esther Charlene. Hello. I'm here. Hi, baby. I'm Sam.
You're Kazam?
Yes, hello, yes.
Huh. What do you got there? Who knows? They're coming so fast and furious now you can't keep track of them, can you?
Dogs, baby.
Dogs and baby. Hello? We didn't kick on yet, I don't think.
What?
Do you want it to kick on?
Yeah. Well, whatever.
Hi, Bradley.
He had a poop.
Yeah, poop poop. Here's Sticky Boy.
Oh my gosh, you dirty movies again. Well,
Yeah.
let me go get my evening gown on. Or
Oh, come on. I took one of those last night, you know? I'm not going to do it again.
Come on now. How about if I get my sleazy protection on?
Hey, Grandma, show me your implants.
Yeah. Want to see this back?
All right, Julia. This is the tape I'm going to show when you guys bring home your first girlfriend.